Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete apps on an Element Xumo TV in 2026. So if you are trying to remove the apps from your smart TV to free up the space or clean up the home screen, you can just simply follow these steps. First of all, it's very important thing that you need to know how the app works on the Xumo TV operating system. Most of the Element Xumo TV models come with hundreds of streaming applications already pre-installed on the system. Because of this design, you usually can't uninstall or permanently delete these applications like you can on the Android TV or the Roku devices. So simply press the home button on your remote in order to open the main screen. Now scroll through the app row where you will find the list of the streaming applications available on your TV. These may include the TV services like YouTube, Netflix, HBO Max, and much more. Even though you can't delete the applications completely, you can definitely customize which apps appear on your home screen. So scroll through the end of the applications row and then tap on the option of view all, or inside the view all simply look for the option of manage. Now in the manage section, simply select the application which you want to be removed from the home screen. So simply select the option and you are done. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.